Is Shivalsis speaking. Children, we have been dealing with exercise 4.1 and we have already completed question number 1 and 2. So right now here in this particular video we'll be discussing about question number 3 and question number 4. So here is question number 3, children. Question number 3 is about we have to draw a parallelogram. Name of the parallelogram is MORE. So name of the parallelogram is MORE, in which we will have a line segment OR 6 centimeter, OR 6 centimeter. Suppose this is OR 6 centimeter. Next is RE 4.5 centimeter. This is RE is 4.5 centimeter. Next one is EO 7.5 centimeter. EO is 7.5 centimeter. Suppose this is EO. This is 7.5 centimeter. So what we need to do, children, we have to deal with this question in a very with some procedure. The procedure is, so as I want to construct this parallelogram. So here I want to construct the parallel or the quadrilateral in this way: MORE. Okay, so I'll first draw a line segment. I'll take a bit, like little bit more than suppose 8 centimeter. So we're taking in that way. So this is a line segment. So very first thing is what, like I'll be taking OR. I'll take the measure of OR with compasses. I'll place here and I'll give one arc. Given. So this is the measure of OR. I took the measure of OR, I placed here and I gave one arc. And I'll be writing OR. Now children, what are the following measures are given to us? RE and EO. Alright. So I'll be taking the measure of RE now. I'll be taking the measure of RE with compasses. I'll place at R and I'll give one arc. I repeat, I'll be taking the measure of RE. I'll place at R and I'll give one arc. So here somewhere on this arc E will be existing. Somewhere on this arc E will be existing, but I don't know what is the exact place of E. So what I'll do, children, I'll be taking the measure of EO once again with compasses. I'll place at O and I'll give one arc. I'll place at O, I'll give one arc. This is E. Okay. So here is R. With R, from R I gave one arc in order to find the exact place of exact position of E. Then I took the measure of EO, I placed at O and I gave one arc. So now children, this is E. So this meeting point of these two arcs is E. Now I'll just join them with ruler. This is RE. This is RE. Now I have to locate M. Children, here is no place for M, neither no measures of M nor any like line segments of M. Nothing is given to us. But we will be following the properties of parallelogram. We know that the opposite sides of parallelogram are always parallel. Opposite sides of parallelogram are always parallel. So what I can do, children, I'll just hold my compass. I'll just make a parallel line of this one over here from O. From O, I'll draw a parallel line of RE. So I'll just measure RE with compass. I'll place at O and I'll give one arc. I'll just measure RE. I'll place at O and I'll just give one arc. Okay. Now, in order to find the exact place of M, what I'll do, children, I'll just take measure of OR. I'll just take the measure of OR. I'll place at E and I'll just give one arc. Like this. Now I'll just make them join. Here is the place of M, or position of M. So children, this is a parallelogram MORE in which M is parallel to OR and RE is parallel to OA, and they are opposite sides are of equal measures. So this is a parallelogram MORE. Now children, here is in the next question. I believe it's clear. I believe this question is clear to everyone. If no, then please feel free to speak to me. Drop your queries in comment sections as well as in WhatsApp group. Your doubts will be cleared for sure. I'll make another video to explain. Let's talk about question number 4, children. Question number 4 is about rhombus best. Rhombus best. So how will I construct this, children? So here the measures of BE is given. BE is 4.5 centimeter. This is BE is 4.5 centimeter. Next one is ET is 6 centimeter. ET is 6 centimeter. So children, first what we have to just plan out how will I construct. So I want to just form it in this way. B, here I want to make B, E, S, T. So B, E, S, T. So B, E. So here is one thing that we can see, that the measure of one side is 4.5 centimeter. As we all know that a rhombus has got all sides of equal measure, just like a square. Okay children, so we can form in this way, B, E, S, T. So the measure of ET is given. Okay, so or we can write in this way, we can make it in this way, B, E, S, T. That will also be quite easier. So I'll just draw a line first. I'll just draw a line first with ruler. Take the measure of ET. Take the measure of ET, place at here and give one arc. Write ET. This is ET. Okay. Now, as we all know that the measure of all the sides of a rhombus is equal. So we can do one thing. We can take the measure of BE. We can take the measure of BE, place at E and give one arc. With the same measure, place at T, give one arc. This is B. With the same measure, again you can measure BE, place at E, give one arc. With the same measure, place at T, give one arc. Children, why did I do this? Why did I take the measure of BE and have given in all four sides? Or in order to make all four sides, I have used the measure of BE, because we know the property of rhombus, that the measure of all the sides of rhombus is equal. Now just do join them. Bas. Here is the rhombus BEST. So this is how we have to construct. ET was actually a measure of a diagonal. It was not a side, it was measure of a diagonal. So children, if there is any confusions or doubts, please feel free to speak to me. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.